welcome back to another K-style haul. Now I'm gonna just give you a fair warning that I did have a mental breakdown. So if I have a little bit of an attitude, a sass, give me a pass this time around. It's been a while since I did anything lip hop related. So of course we're bringing back the tight K-style haul. Kinda like it. Anything that seatbelts these bitches in. Life is too precious to not be a bad bitch. Anyway, that is your little pep talk today. Jumping right into the haul. You know the Asian sizes are very miniature, minuscule, minimum. If you're like me and you're like 135 pounds, you wear like a 6 to 8, maybe a 10 on a Saturday. Because we feast. This body shape is considered plus size. I could look like an average Joe in America, hop on a plane, get to Asia, and they're like, damn, you stand out. Oh yeah. If this is gonna make me stand out in Asia, then fine, so be it. Although it's very terrifying since I've been there a couple times. The judgment is real. I'm a bodybuilder in Asia apparently. Because I am labeled huge. There are different beauty standards everywhere. We're not gonna get into it. So I decided to show you guys my plus size body in Asia. Wearing clothes from Asia. Lip hop! I love lip hop, by the way. You should check out their Instagram. This is the first beater tank top with a wide strap that I'm wearing. I'm not a huge fan of wide straps, but I kind of like the look with my sweatpants. This gives a very you up at 2 a.m. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about. It's a little bit tomboyish. It has this print that if you come close enough, it looks very cheap, handsome. This tracing right here that you see. Just don't look too close, okay? I kind of love it. The text was kind of cut off here. Where'd you go? Demi. Call me Demi. It squeezes. Very much so. Kind of pressing waffles in a waffle maker. It does give a really nice suffocating feel on the tummy. Sometimes we like that. So I'm not complaining. He's a mean one. Mr. Grinch. Kind of love it. Kind of hate it. Kind of love it all at once. At the same time, I want to hug you. I want to wrap my hand. First of all, we gotta address the fake personality here. These buttons don't unbutton. So you gotta slip this on from the head down. And we know how that goes when it's this kind of fabric. A little bit sweaty, a little bit suffocating. You might be into that, I'm not sure. The chested bestie look nice. They hold up their title here. They're doing their job. Obviously, I'm still going through this whole phase of me being insecure in my own body. This dress makes me feel a little bit revealed with the tracing of my pouch and my squish. Booty's not doing much. We got that. It's not doing much. There is this ruching down the middle that gives you the ability to blend in the stomach rolls if you like that. Oh, there are shoulder pads. I forgot. Peekaboo. I'm not sure if the shoulder pads are doing much for me except inflating my shoulders to be more than they are. I have enough shoulders to go around. So, bitch, I already have square shoulders. Makes me feel like going out, getting margaritas, and just crying over my ex. Kind of. It's like a sloppy drink dress. If I even have the ballsies to wear this on the first one, you know what I mean? Okay. I absolutely feel like a Betty in this. You could call me Fetty. I wore this piece on my Instagram and a lot of people thought it was a full dress. You couldn't tell there was a little... Yes, it's actually two-piece. I undid the last button and I kind of threw it off my shoulder. This skirt's actually a really good length in terms of no flashing. It's a square. So this skirt actually has a very diagonal cut to it. I kind of like to roll up my sleeves only to help see a little bit more skin so I don't look like my outfit's eating me. Instead,
I'm eating my outfit.
It's appropriate, but at the same time, you wonder what's happening underneath. Not a lot. Super effortless, and it looks like you put a lot of thought into it when you really didn't because you just had a mental breakdown. Okay, putting this on was a struggle. I literally rolled my nipple a couple times, kind of like when you roll your ankle, but instead your nip. This is a lace tank with lacing all around the edges. It does detach up until a certain point. Love the thin straps. I will say this top kind of looks like an undergarment. It's very tight to the point where it's concerning that I might just like lose one. However, it's a great push-up. I also got this in this gold khaki color. In my opinion, this color flatters my body a little bit more. It doesn't magnify like the side chubs. And also, I just feel like neutral earth tones look beautiful on every body shape, every body color. Makes you look more mature. If you guys been watching my hauls for a little bit now, you guys would know that I love tanks that kind of cut midway with the sacrifice of circulation, but it's kind of worth it.
Yeet, yeet, skirt, yeet!
Big booby girlies. Flaunt what your mama gave you. I do love a scandalous moment. Wait. Maybe you'll be happier with someone else. You can wear this with sweaties. This can make a cute downtime. I do try to pull it up a little, okay? It's not like I don't try. Since we're here in this department, I think it's best that I show you guys one of my favorite pieces from Lip Hop of the season. If you follow me on Instagram, you already saw me wear this, but this is literally my favorite dress shirt jacket. I don't know what you call this. This feels like denim and dress shirt. Baby. Back has almost a scoop layer down here because it attaches to that corner. My armpits are in shape. Love the color detail. I think that's what makes this crop jacket, whatever you want to call it. You can wifey up your sleeves and cuff it. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Literally holes for your arm. Think of it like jeans. This dress shirt crop makes me feel powerful. Like I have the authority. This just feels like you work around my schedule. That's the attitude we're gonna run with. So I don't know what told me that I can fit into this Asian size dress. The Christmas theme behind this dress really inspired me to feel that miracles happen. A couple ladders down, you do see the zipper that I miraculously didn't break. Here are the flaps that, you know, wrap around. Sometimes you just have to accept reality that things don't work out. Maybe her cake's too thick. I don't know. Okay, honestly, this dress screamed holiday cocktails. You might find yourself with a gingerbread man. I did really like this extra French down here. If this doesn't scream winter sales, it's just a little unfortunate. It's a little skimpy, a little short there. So here's the next top. Normally I'm not a fan of this kind of cut around the arms because it broadens my upper chest area. The hold and snug of the sleeves actually make me feel like I have one thing under control. If anything, the tightness is coming from this strappy area. This side feels loose, right? This side feels so tight. My left armpit's actually bigger than my right armpit. This top actually has a fake push-up insert here. That's all ear. This makes me feel like, try me. Maybe the sleeves you can wear kind of off the shoulder. No, thank you. Open boat neck. This almost looks like a bodysuit, but it's not. It's just a long sleeve. You know who I feel like? Ariana Grande. Do I have the right to say that? No, but do I feel like her? Yes. Okay. I feel like this was supposed to be a halter and it snapped off. It's cute, it's unique. I mean, it's not different. A one shoulder, if you couldn't tell. But doesn't it look like it's missing something? There's a slight ribbing to the fabric. Something about this is odd. It's the same feeling of being the weird kid in class. You don't know how you feel about it, but you like it. Because I'm the only one who felt that way towards the weird kid in class. Keeps you wondering. What if I was supposed to... No. Although you look confused, I'm sure you'll find your way someday. So here's a cute halter crop with this necklace. It's a chain, but you unhook it like you would a necklace. You see that? It's a little tight on the neck. I love this color. It's like an ash tone, lilac, blue, gray, whatever your eye picks up. With a silver chain halter. I love it. And you can kind of scrunch this area up. It makes the chesty besties look really nice, although they're sagging. Hold on.
Okay.
Holy Spirit, activate.
Big booby girls, you're blessed. Embrace them. Don't be ashamed. The neck does feel a little restricted. It drags you a little, so keep your head down low. Be humble. I think it's flattering. No. We have you coming out of the side. We have you gushing out from the middle. Linda, listen. I know you're like, Faye, why does this faze you? You wear scandalicious clothes all the time. There's a difference in this shirt. The cuts are very sharp everywhere. The milkers have double. It's not horrible, but I'm very self-conscious of the amplification on the sides of me. So this tank kind of cuts right in the middle of my chesty besties. The proportions are just a little too equal, you know? I'm not feeling it. I don't like.
Disgusting on them.
This shirt kind of reminds me of like the old tops, like Charlotte Russe, if you guys had one of those. This just isn't for me. Facts, no printer. You wait till you see this. So you thought this was it. Well, you thought wrong. You thought selfishly. We have this apron looking thing that's gonna blow your mind. Look at her. Do you see what we're competing against? Wait. Is this supposed to look like that? Hold on. Am I wearing this wrong? You see the idea though? Oh. Okay, bitch. We're here. Dude, no. Okay. Oh no. Honey? We're wearing it right. She kind of has this off the shoulder. Dude, she doesn't have this opening. Stop. Let's pose like her. She said,
Here's the thing, we started out friends.
It was cool, but it was all pretend. And
Yeah.
there's 2 buttons, by the way, so you get to pick and choose. I'm gonna go to the one all the way over here. Maybe that'll help. Yeah. A little bit. Let's just pretend the back is in there. The side is way too long for my legs. Huh. I mean, do I like it? I like the idea. We're in love with the idea. We're not in love with the actual thing. You might be able to actually wear this and rock it. Me, no. No, man. I mean, I like the texture. It's very silky. Tell me what you think. Well, that is it for this K-style lip pop haul from YesStyle. We made them work. Okay, not this one, but like some stuff we did. Make sure to like this video if you want more K-style hauls. And until next time, I'm sending love, bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit.